Good day, folks. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new dual controller case by GPC for the Mavic 2 series. For those of you who run a dual controller setup, this allows you to store both controllers inside, keeping them safe. Let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So this is GPC's latest case for the Mavic 2 series. It's a dual controller case, so you can store two controllers inside, either two standard remotes or a smart controller and a standard remote. GPC makes some really nice quality cases for a wide variety of drones and other hardware. Here you can see one for the Skydio 2, holds everything nicely inside. They also sell a nice compact one for the DJI Mavic Mini. This case has all the features that come standard with all GPC cases. They are rugged and weatherproof. They'll keep your gear dry even in wet conditions. It also features a dual lock latch. It has a little trigger in there that you have to push first before you can open it. That prevents you accidentally opening it out in the field. Of course, we have two spots in which we can lock it up to keep things secure. When we open it up here, you can see everything is nicely precision cut and everything's going to fit in there tight and securely, keep things protected. So let's take a look at how everything fits inside. You can see here in this large cavity, that's where the drone will fit, and it will fit both the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. In this case, you can store a total of 5 batteries. We have 4 cutouts there, and of course your 5th one is in the drone. I only have a total of 4 batteries, so that leaves us an extra opening which we can store other gear. For example, here I have the PGY Tech mount that allows you to mount anything that has a quarter 20 on it, and it can fit nicely just down inside there. You can see here we have an opening that fits the charging brick just perfectly. We can shove that extra cable part down inside there. Now at this point there's a couple different things we can do with our spare propellers and the power cable. If you have an empty battery slot available, you can stick the power cable down inside of it. We have this large opening at the back. We could put it in there. This back opening here, you can see it could fit down in that little cavity. That's where the dual charger fits over top. But for me, I'm going to use this front compartment for now because I'm going to use that back compartment to store my spare propellers. You could also store your spare propellers in this back slot there. So like I mentioned, our dual charger goes in there like that. We have a slot at the back that's perfect for holding ND filters. We have a little round opening there for storing those lens cleaning pens, and those things can come in actually really handy. Right to the side here we have a little slot. GPC sells these little memory card cases, and it just fits in there nicely. But now we're going to store our controllers, and this is what this case is best suited for. If you're a person who runs a dual controller setup, you can store both controllers in this case with no issues. This first controller slot here is customizable. When it ships, it's already set up to hold a standard controller, just there like that. But you can see here they have some cutouts already made. All you have to do is pull them out, and then pull out the bottom foam piece. Now it's the perfect size for the smart controller. And then of course the stock remote that comes with the Mavic 2 Pro can fit over there on that side. Now both of them do have cutouts, so you can leave your sticks on if you so wish. Now at the back here we have a large cutout, and you can use that to store a variety of different accessories, perhaps cleaning cloths or even a tablet mount. And if you are going to be storing a tablet mount in here, you can actually lift this tray up just like that. You can see it's still foam there underneath, and you can actually fit a tablet down in there and then place that back on top. So that will keep your tablet protected while you're traveling. And of course at the top here we have egg carton foam, and that keeps everything protected when you have it latched up. So yeah, a great little case from GPC. They make really nice cases. I actually own quite a few. Drones that I'm out flying with I tend to bring in a backpack, but when I'm storing them, I always store them in a hard case, or if I'm taking a trip or doing an activity that I know the drone could potentially be in some unfavorable conditions such as water, mud, and muck, maybe kind of get thrown around a bit, then I'll definitely put it in a hard case. Well folks, that's basically it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.